Okay,
welcome to my channel. My name is Tobo Sigwe Ikolomuo. Today I want to discuss about Dibia. Who is a Dibia? The Igbos will say Obalatule. After God is Dibia. That means after God, the next person, the next in line of hierarchy is a Dibia. Now, no word has been underinterpreted, misinterpreted in modern time like the Igbo word Dibia. The word Dibia means many things to many people, and in trying to interpret the word or to explain what Dibia means, many people have ended up misrepresenting the name. Some have given it bad labels. Many generally believe or interpret the word to mean a priest. If you meet someone and he or she wants to translate the Igbo word Dibia into English, some of them make the mistake of interpreting the word as a priest. Some say native doctor, some say herbalist or diviner. These are the most general interpretation to the word Dibia. Healer, native doctor, herbalist, priest. However, a Dibia transcends this interpretation. A Dibia transcends this interpretation. So you may want to ask, who then is a Dibia? For us to understand the meaning of the word Dibia, we need to know the function of a Dibia. Who is a Dibia? A Dibia is Okalam Mado, Okalam Muo, which means half man, half spirit. A Dibia is not an ordinary human being. A Dibia is Okalam Mado, Okalam Muo. This means a true Dibia is half man, half spirit. 2. A Dibia is nature in physical form or in human form. Nature is duality. Nature is made up of good and bad, light and darkness. This manifestation of nature is what a Dibia is in human form. A Dibia is both good and bad. That's why Oyejibunye Patu. A Dibia can kill, a Dibia can save. A Dibia nebu na azazo. A Dibia kills and also saves. A Dibia kills and also saves. So a Dibia can be light, a Dibia can be darkness, and a Dibia can be both of them. Just like nature. Nature is good, nature is bad. Nature kills, nature saves. 3. A Dibia is one with the ability to create, maintain, and dissolve. So a Dibia can create. A Dibia is a creator. And a Dibia is also a destroyer. A Dibia is a creator. And also a Dibia can dissolve life. So a Dibia plays a function of Chineke. Chineke. A Dibia is a creator. And whatever that can create can also have the ability to destroy. Now, number 4, a Dibia is a messiah, a messenger on a specific mission. A Dibia is a messiah, a messenger on a specific mission. Every time a Dibia comes, that Dibia is on a specific mission. If a Dibia comes in a family, that Dibia is on a specific mission. If a Dibia comes to a community, that Dibia is on a specific mission towards that community. If it's a nation, that Dibia is on a specific mission towards that nation. Nation here means race or tribe. Now, 5, or finally, a Dibia is a mystic. A Dibia is a philosopher. A Dibia is a healer. A Dibia is a king. A Dibia is a warrior. A Dibia is a teacher. A Dibia is a diviner. A Dibia is a priest. And a Dibia is a prophet, all rolled into one. A mystic, a philosopher, a healer, a king, a warrior, a teacher, a diviner, a priest, a prophet, all rolled into one. In other words, a Dibia is the only jack of all trade and master of all. So you see, trying to limit a Dibia towards a particular office into one box, into one envelope, will never work. Trying to demystify who a Dibia is a very big task. So, like I said, a Dibia is a mystic, a Dibia is a philosopher, a Dibia is a healer. Like I said, a Dibia is a mystic, a Dibia is a philosopher, a Dibia is a healer, a Dibia is a king, a Dibia is a warrior, a Dibia is a teacher, a Dibia is a diviner, priest, and prophet. These 9 offices all rolled into one. That's why I called a Dibia the master of jack of all trade, the master of all. How does one become a Dibia? Dibia is onatalushi, what Igbo is called onatalushi. This means a Dibia is born. A Dibia is born. You do not learn how to be a Dibia. One do not learn how to be a Dibia. That's why I called a Dibia a messenger. A Dibia is always on a specific mission. So a Dibia is predestined. However, some people can learn the work of a Dibia. Some people who are desirous to occupy the office of a Dibia, who are not born so, you can learn it. You can learn it. But a true Dibia is not born. It's not something that they learn. The Nsuka part of Igbo will say ordinary. That means it's in the blood. General Igbo will call it onatalushi. That means the person is born with it. But someone who is not born to be a Dibia can learn the work of a Dibia. But to do that, that person must hook up to the power base of a Dibia, of a true Dibia. To do that, someone who is not born to be a Dibia, for that person to play the role or to occupy the office of a Dibia, the person needs to hook up, connect. It's like tapping a wire from a transformer, connecting to a transformer. A person can hook into the power base of a true Dibia and now use the power base of a true Dibia to function in the office of a Dibia or to carry out some of the manifestations of Dibia. The difference between this type of people, that means those who learn the work of a Dibia, and a true Dibia, is that they are not trailblazers. A true Dibia is a trailblazer. A real Dibia, one who is a real Dibia, is a trailblazer, a torchbearer, a legend. That's why I say it's Okalam mad or Okalam more. It's not an ordinary human being. They are the type of people after when they have lived life, a myth is built around them because of the kind of manifestation, because of the kind of powers, because of the things that they exhibited while they were alive. They change the course of a society, they change the course of a community, they change the direction of a family. Some of them end up instituting deities for their various family or for their various communities. Some carry out a lot of manifestation, a lot of signs and wonders surrounds them, either from childhood or in their adulthood. So they build myth around a true Dibia. A true Dibia is a torchbearer, a trailblazer, a legend. But one who hook up to the power base of a Dibia cannot be a trailblazer because you are hooking up to the power base of a trailblazer. So you cannot function beyond. In fact, you cannot even function up to the capacity of that of the real Dibia that you hooked up to his or her power base. Finally, there is no English word, I repeat, there is no English word that can correctly encapsulate or capture the true meaning of the word Dibia. So some people make the mistake of translating the word Dibia into English. It will lose its meaning. There is no true English word that captures the true meaning of the word Dibia. So if you want to know what a Dibia means, you can only know it through the offices of a Dibia. Like I said, a Dibia is Okalamado, Okalammo, half man, half spirit. Thank you.
The video you just watched, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.